The HGDO T122 to 10 inches 4K mirror dashcam with car stereo is a standout product that combines cutting-edge features with practical functionality. Designed to enhance your driving experience, this device from Aliexpress integrates seamlessly into your vehicle, offering a range of impressive capabilities that cater to both safety and entertainment needs. One of the standout features of the HGDO T122 is its compatibility with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, making it a versatile choice for modern drivers. Whether you prefer iOS or Android, the wireless connectivity ensures that you can effortlessly sync your smartphone with the car stereo. This allows for hands-free operation of essential apps, navigation, and communication tools directly through the device's large 10-inch display. Beyond its camera capabilities, the HGDO T122 doubles as a comprehensive car stereo system. Utilizing Bluetooth technology, it wirelessly transmits audio from Apple CarPlay or Android Auto to your car's speakers, ensuring a seamless audio experience. Additionally, the device supports FM transmission, allowing you to synchronize its output with your car's FM frequency for enhanced audio clarity. The HGDO T122 is designed with user convenience in mind. Its plug-and-play installation means you can easily set it up without specialized skills or tools. Once installed, features like voice control through Siri or Google Assistant simplify interaction, while the adjustable parking lines and built-in GPS tracking enhance driving accuracy and convenience. For added security, the HGDO T122 includes features such as a shock sensor for impact detection, a parking monitor for surveillance while parked, and adjustable parking lines displayed on the screen. These functionalities contribute to a safer and more controlled driving experience, whether on the move or stationary.